Yes. Now here you can see the figure. In this figure, AB side is given 4.5. I have drawn that first. Then after drawing AB, I have taken A as the center, and on rounder I have taken 7 centimeter as radius. I have drawn an arc here. This is the arc. Then I took B as the center. I took 5.5 as the radius, and I drew this bigger arc. Now these two arcs intersect at point. I have named that as C. Then again I have gone to A, taking A as the center. From C I have done now. Now what I have done is, taking C as the center, I have taken 2 centimeter radius in the rounder and draw an arc. This one is the arc. Then I came to A, taking A as the center and 6 centimeter as radius, and I drew another arc which intersect this previous arc at D. Now this is the D point. Now I got all four points. I joined these all 4 points and also AC. After joining, I get a quadrilateral which is being asked. Now you can see here, this quadrilateral is neither a parallelogram, nor a rectangle, nor a rhombus. This is a scalene rectangle, quadrilateral. Similarly, we have to write the steps. The steps are: first, draw segment AB of 4.5 centimeter, draw arcs of lengths 4.5 centimeter, radius at B, then draw arc of length 7 centimeter to cut the previous arc. Then after that you get the point C. From point C and A, taking as the center, draw the arcs to cut each other at the other point D will be obtained. So these I have written in very short, just you can understand it, but you have to write it very properly. Okay, now second example I will take. The second example here is, again, construct a quadrilateral in which you have got 2 diagonals and 3 sides. The one side I will draw. The 3 sides what are given, if I take a quadrilateral name as LIFT. So 3 adjacent sides which are given, the middle one which is given, whose length is given, I will take as a base. Here I have taken the base 4 centimeter. I have drawn that first. Then after taking L as the center, I have drawn 4.5 centimeter arc and 2.5 centimeter arc, 2 arcs. Then I took I as the center. I took 4 centimeter arc and cut the arc of 2.5 centimeter. And then I took 3 centimeter on the same rounder, I as the center, and I draw an arc to cut the arc made from L as 4.5 centimeter. Now we have got the points F and T by these 4 arcs, intersection of 2 arcs. So we have got all 4 points. Now after joining these 4 points and the 2 diagonals, and then at last TF you can join, and just you can measure it, how much it comes. Here I have got it as 2.6 centimeter. I have measured that. Now you can see here the obtained quadrilateral is not a parallelogram or any special type of quadrilateral. Now you can see here, before that drawing I have also drawn the rough sketch, and see I was very near to the real shape of the quadrilateral. The second part in that is construct a rhombus. construct a rhombus. Now here a rhombus BEND has to be constructed. If BN, that is one side of the rhombus, is 5.6 centimeter and DE, that is one of the diagonal, is 6.5 centimeter. Now you know that in rhombus all the sides are equal, hence we have got 4 sides and 1 diagonal. So what was the first construction? Similarly we can go by that way also, or otherwise we can go by different way. Here what we'll do, as the diagonal, one of the diagonal is given, and we know that the 2 diagonals of the rhombus are the perpendicular bisectors of each other. Hence what I have done, I have drawn DE diagonal first. The first I have drawn the DE diagonal, and after drawing DE diagonal I drew the perpendicular bisector of that diagonal. Now you know that how the perpendicular bisector is drawn. You have studied that in 6th and 7th, so no need to tell that. So after drawing the perpendicular bisector, I will extend it very much, so that when I take 5.6 centimeter on the rounder, it should cut the diagonal. Now taking E or D, any one point as the center, and radius equal to 5.6 centimeter, I will draw 2 arcs which will cut this perpendicular bisector at above the line DE and below the line DE. After that we get the 2 points, B is at the bottom and N is at the top or above the DE line. Then I joined all the 4 points, that is DB, BE, EN and ND. So I got the quadrilateral or the rhombus, I will say, BEND. Now you can check out, as one of the diagonal was given 6.5, we have used that. You can check out the length of diagonal BN also. Obviously it will be greater than the diagonal DE. So students, the steps in this problem: draw segment D equal to 6.5 centimeter, draw a perpendicular bisector of D, take E as the center and radius 5.6 centimeter and draw arc to intersect bisector at B and N points to get B and N points. Join B, E, N, D and D, B to get the rhombus B, E, N, D. Now here I have explained you how to construct the quadrilateral. With this video I am also going to send you a worksheet. In that only 4 examples you have to solve, and also you have to solve the remaining part of 4.1 and 4.2 exercise. Thank you. Have a good day.